Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the reservation you intend to cancel, open the Uber app, and make sure you are in the correct account. Once you see the reservations or upcoming rides card, tap it to reveal the booking details. You want to check pickup time, vehicle type, and whether a cancellation fee applies within a specified window so you know the potential cost. If everything matches the ride you want to cancel, proceed now to the reservation screen and prepare to select Cancel. You now initiate the cancellation by tapping the reserved ride to open the full ride details. This is where Uber shows the pickup address and fare estimates. Next, tap Cancel Ride and pause to read the fee warning. Uber will remind you if a cancellation charge applies inside the penalty window. Confirm the action when prompted. The app will then process the cancellation and display a confirmation, which you should note or screenshot in case you need proof for a refund. Finish by verifying the cancellation. Open your trip history and look for the canceled ride and a confirmation receipt. If you were charged incorrectly, go to Help, choose Trips, find that reservation, and request a refund with a brief explanation and any screenshot. If the app fails to show confirmation or gives an error, restart the app, check connectivity, and then contact Uber support through Help or in-app chat. Keep your reservation details ready so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.